Hey, this is your favorite tech with another tutorial. Be sure to check us out on our website or text us if you need tech support. And in this quick tutorial, I'm going to break down how to adjust your screen brightness in Windows 10. Now, keep in mind, this mainly works on people using laptops or tablets because you have an integrated monitor that allows your system to control the brightness. Now, if you're using a desktop with your own separate monitor, it's most likely the easiest way to adjust your brightness is by actually adjusting the brightness on the physical monitor. But either way it go, I'm going to show you several ways to do it. Number one way to do it is on a lot of laptops, there's FN keys. They're called function keys. If you look on your keyboard, sometimes you may see little light bulb and plus and minuses that allow you to control your brightness from there. If you do not, then another way you can check it out is if you're on a laptop, you go toward the lower right hand corner of your screen, and if you're using a card that's plugged into a wall, there'll be a battery signal. Now I'm on a desktop so you won't see it. You would click on that battery signal, and from there you can adjust your brightness. So that's another way to adjust your brightness. Now, if you're just on a normal Windows 10 operating system, the objective way to do it, specifically if you're on a laptop or tablet, is to go to the Action Center. This is called the Action Center. So where notifications show up, you click it, and this is going to open up. You're going to see like kind of this little light bulb, and this allows you to do night light or no night light. Now, if you're actually on a laptop or on some type of tablet, it'll actually have a brightness scroller to let you control it. Since I'm on a desktop, it does not have that. So that's another way to do it. And lastly, you can go to your lower search engine on the left side of your screen and type in settings and go to the settings menu. Then you're gonna go to system. Then on your right hand panel, you're gonna go to display. And then you're gonna look way over to the right where it say change screen brightness. And again, you're only gonna see this if you're on a laptop. It'll tell you where to actually go do your screen brightness. So those are the three ways you would do it. Also, you would go to advanced settings. So let's go back. You would go to display. Then you would scroll all the way down to advanced settings. And again, it would allow you to adjust your basically brightness in this area. As I said, I'm not on a laptop and I'm not on a tablet, so it don't let me do that. I would have to adjust my brightness mainly on my physical monitor. I hope this helps. Hey, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and return the favor by liking and subscribing to this channel. If you subscribe, type the phrase "I subscribed" in the comment section below. Keep in mind, when you subscribe, it motivates us to continue to make these free videos. Lastly, if you enjoy learning about technology, entrepreneurship, or making money online, go ahead and check out my other videos on my other channel. Thanks for your support.